Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Todoist project labels for organizing work by client step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Todoist website. Log into your Todoist account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and select the project you want to organize. In the project view, identify the labels associated with that project. Click on the label to open its details. Take note of the label names, as you will use these for organizing your tasks. Open a spreadsheet application like Google Sheets or Excel. Create a new spreadsheet for better organization. In the first column, label it client name for the clients you are organizing projects for. In the second column, label it Todoist labels to correspond with the labels from Todoist. Start entering your client names in the first column. Next, enter the corresponding Todoist labels in the second column for each client. You can add additional columns if you want to include more details such as project deadlines or contact information. After entering all the clients and labels, double-check for any errors or missing information. Once verified, save the spreadsheet to your preferred location for easy access. You can now use this organized document to streamline your workflow and keep track of projects by client. Whenever you need to update or add labels, simply return to your Todoist account and repeat the process. This will help maintain clarity and efficiency in managing your tasks, ensuring you stay organized by client. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.